The traffic feature is only available with optional SiriusXM radio and SiriusXM traffic subscriptions. This service is included for a period of time from the original in-service date of the vehicle. When available, traffic information is displayed on the map. The level of traffic is indicated by the color of the road. Green indicates free-flowing traffic. Yellow indicates moderate traffic. Red indicates heavy traffic. And orange and white stripes indicate a section of road seriously affected by a traffic event. Icons for a variety of traffic factors, such as accidents or road work, are also displayed on the map. Some of these icons are only available on maps that are zoomed in to show sufficient detail. There are various settings that can be adjusted for the traffic system. To adjust, touch Settings on the launch bar, touch Navigation, then Traffic Info Settings. Touch an item to adjust the settings. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.